Good morning. Nice bright sunny day. Just a late start because we have just the way my work runs. But yeah, it's just beautiful. Last night at 11 o'clock p.m. it was minus 32 below zero. That's air temperature here on the thermometer on the goat post. And I was up most of the night, just it's just physical problems, but that's what happens when you get old. The puppies are attacking. Yep, let's spin you around here. Woof, 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 woof. Yeah, we got a lady and hey lady, hey guys. And look here. Yep, there's Prince and Rosie, which has been pretty aggressive towards Rosie, even though hi pup. Hey pups. Well, it's warming up, but the sun's hitting the thermometer too, so that makes no difference. If you notice, I chained my gate besides having the swing lock. Simple reason, just in case bears come around. Just a little added deterrent. Come on, out of the way, Prince. Yep, we got Studley there, and all the names of these goats. They're not, most are not named, but yeah. Break some ice. Ice breaking time. Fun doing one-handed. Like I say, 1 minute video, you have to shoot an hour's worth. I know the guys are thirsty. Yeah, this water was put in at 11 o'clock last night. Oh. So we got some ice. Yeah, we got a little bit of water. I'll get that filled up here. One of the things we do is throw some unheated hay underneath it to it helps them having it freeze totally solid. This winter time is and then the puppies are attacking. Come on, guys. Lady, you're just a lady, aren't you? Yeah. And my goats. Pups. Still. You get fed. You get fed. You're not starving. You're not starving. You want attention, don't you? You just want attentions. Oh, yes you do. Yes you do. You gotta get it warmed up. Saturday you get brushed out. It's gonna be warm enough where hopefully everything thaws. I'll get you brushed out and get an anti-terry over here with luck. But these are my goat houses. Took old cable spools. I got video of that. I'm gonna try to download one day of putting these together. Just old tin cable spools, lots, about $40 worth of self-tapping screws, and old conveyor belting, and it works good. And then my feeders here, they're Premier One is the company. These are the round bales feeders, but I take 4 of them, put them in a square, There's a pallet underneath the snow here. I'm gonna have to dig out. And then I got the pyramid, and that's all cut at I think it's 21.5 degrees. I'm gonna do a video on that, on making this, because I have to get a few more of these up. They work really well for feeding. I don't get as much waste, and with the put the pyramid in there. Yeah, I lose volume, but you know, if you look at it, it pulls all the fines to the outside, and then they clean that up on top of it. So that's the key. And we have poly huts, and they work. Quit trying to eat her. Don't eat Prince. We got the poly huts, and I'm just gonna come up on top of Mount Goatmore here, which is gonna get bigger on Saturday. Yep. Should have put my crampons on. Yeah. You can see where the dogs like to just hang out here. But do a view here. My old garage, that's gonna come down this year. The goats, the house, of course, more snow, and the fields. You notice we're pretty flat here on this. I have 140 acres, a lot of it prime swampland. The alligators are hibernating now. Yeah, right. And yeah, we got pipes. That's kind of helps with their feet, the goats' feet. But I got to do trimming here this spring. I should do it now, but it's so frozen. The hooves are so hard, it just makes life difficult. A trimming chute would be nice, and we got to see what's in the budget. And the pups, yeah, the pups like Mount Goatmore. Oh yeah. I gotta get these guys fed. They're hungry. If I don't kill myself coming down the hill. And just think, in a month, this could all be gone. But this year I doubt it. I'm assuming mid-April maybe. As you see, we got about 3 feet of snow on the ground right now. And with that, I am going to, hey lady, switch over and get these dogs fed. And hopefully they don't try to kill us. And on that happy note, I'm gonna let us farewell for now. Okay, pups. Come on, guys. Come on, lady. Yep, it's what they could eat in 15 minutes is what I my goal. It's what they can eat in 15 minutes is kind of my goal here. Like lady will take all day, it depends. But these pups are, I've been giving them wet food along with dry, but I'm pretty much out now except for one can, and I'm saving that just for the times I'm gone. So my two friends that help taking It makes it easier for feeding Lady because she's real. She won't eat if there's somebody else here. And she's enjoying her milk bone, of course. Yeah. No, you eat your food. And one thing, you have to also notice is that the goats will go in there and eat their food. Goats are pretty satisfied right now. I think I have the feeding down. And I'm gonna just mix up some hay here because they didn't eat. One feeder takes longer for them to eat. Uh-oh, here we come. We got trouble coming. I think Snow White's kind of sees the feed here, giving them the evil eye. Oh, yep, Lady just chased off Snow White. Yeah, what the puppies are eating. They're actually a little better feeding them dry. Hey, get over there. Hey, get up. Eat your own food. Eat your own food. Hey. Come on. That's not your food. No. 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 You're getting more than enough to eat. You're just a pig. You are such a pig. You are such a pig. No. Now you let her finish. You are such a pig. You are such a pig. We'll get you to the vet on the 3rd, and then we'll see how much you weigh, okay? You're just a pig, Prince. Prince the pig. Prince the pig. Let her finish. Let her finish. She really loves. She really loves food. Such the trials and tribulations. Now, they're going to go after Lady's food. And Lady, what are you doing, Lady? Keeping an eye on these guys? Lady's a slow eater. She's always been. Like Lady's sister, Darling, she was a fast eater. Now, of course, Lady's paws are cold, so that's just the way she does. It's just, uh-oh, she's waiting for the attack. Uh-oh, somebody's eyeing it up. Oh. Anywho, I gotta get going here and grab some hay, get these guys fed, and then I'll do the water. But, yeah. We're stirring up here. Look what we have. Yeah, we just had babies. Oh no. Look at a frozen baby. Gotta take care of you. Oh no. By the way. When I say go farming, you take the good with the bad. Well, today we had issues. This fall, my Billy, or one of the Billies in one of the pens, decided to do a little breeding through the wire. People tell me, no, that's impossible. It cannot happen. Well, guess what? I have proof out there right now. 2 girls born today, same doe. One pretty frozen. She didn't make it. The other one's doing fine. Here's a frostbite, but I'm going to hold off on tagging for a while on her. But she's doing fine. She's drinking. She's healthy. I got her in a calf hut with the sun shining now. It's heating everything up. So with luck, she'll be fine. Got the mother isolated. Second thing is puppies. The puppies alerted me to the fact that, yes, I had babies born, so I got on that. But the puppies are puppies. They think they're just like kids, something to play with, something to chew on, something. So you got to really, really watch the puppies. They can cost you a lot of money, and before you know it, you have yourself a ruined dog. So yeah, I got to keep my eyes on them. Lady's fine. I mean, she went through many birthings here, but she was older as a puppy than these girls are, or than Prince and Rosie. So Rosie is really into it. I mean, they want to chew on something. It's something fresh and whatever. So that's that. What do you do with it? I mean, so I got my first baby born for the year. I got a marking in the book. Hopefully it'll make it. It's a nice little girl. The other one was a really nice girl, but obviously she didn't make it. So, but I am assuming that just the way my pens were set up this fall, it was one of the small billies that did the dirty deed. So I got to look at the calendar and figure out when this is going to end. Hopefully this is the only one. I hope. Otherwise, if all goes well, 1st of May, weather's a lot warmer, a little bit of rain, but I mean, I can handle that at that point. But we'll see what happens. I gotta get to work here. I got lots to do yet, and then I have to go to work. So, with that, I'll try to get this video all together. It's just been a nightmare. So, and I'm just gonna shut her down and get to work here. Well, it's a beautiful morning.
Yeah, amazing how much stuff snow covers up. Yeah, we gotta get the old garage tore down this spring, and that's where I'm gonna put my hay shed. Oh, shoot. It's cold, very cold. Let's see if we have any other mistakes out here today. Oh, yeah. Picture this thermometer before the sun hits it. Minus 40. When is this stuff ever gonna end? Hey puppies. Come on. Come on pups. All right. Hey lady. Come on, all the way. Hi, Will hiding. How you guys doing? This is what I'm dreading. And look what we have. She's alive. Yep. Mommy's alive. Baby's alive looking at me. Good. That's my biggest fear. It's 40 below zero out. And amazing. But no, these puppies, they want her in the worst way. And you can't have that. They're still puppies, and they think it's just a big play tool or plaything. They just haven't hit that stage yet. Come on, get out of there. Come on, get out, get out, get out, get out. Come on, Rosie, Rosie. Yep. Anyhow, come on, Rosie, be good. Let's get her for now. In the house. Yeah. Just amazing. These guys. You don't have to be on top of me. Come on, down. You don't jump. No jumping. You know the rules. They'll be fed here shortly. Hay feeders. They would be pulled. And yes, with the way the hay situation is this year, everything gets weighed.
stretch. They're good pups.
Yeah. Check these girls here.
Hey, dearie.
You guys all alive? No new ones? No babes? Easy, girls. Easy. Any babes in here? Huh? I don't see any. I hope not. Yep, everybody's checking it out. Oh, another day. Oh, pups. At least the sun's shining, that's the biggie. Don't bark at the goats. Lady's making her rounds. Okay, she's headed up the mountain trash, or goat more, maybe. Or to poop, whatever. Nope, she's headed out to poop. And pee. Prince, you're gonna get your butt kicked. Nope, up the mountain goat more. There you go. That's a good girl. Prince on Mount Goatmore. Out there protect. She likes high spots. And this thing is 40 below zero, and everybody's alive. That's good. And with that, check my chute here. So make sure no one jumped in. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down because it's cold, and we'll.
Giving the lady a treat. Leftover bone from pork roast last night. There they are. She knows what's coming. Oh, don't attack, Rosie. Yeah. Rosie and lady. Yeah, if you noticed on the fence here, I keep the little guys from crawling under. I just ended up putting some conveyor belting. It seems to be working out even in the winter time. You, Rosie, stay in. This is ladies. No, you two don't get this. Come on, Rosie. Come on. There we go. Come on, lady. Come on. Come on, girls. Lady, where you at? Come here, lady. Lady, here, come on, get out of there. Guys, get out of there. Lady, you're not going to win, are you? These little monsters. You know what? I'm going to pour a little bit of juice. Come on! Ah! Oh. I'm sorry, lady. I'm sorry, girl. We're gonna have a fight here. Yep. Anyhow, I got those guys occupied. I am going to show you the baby. This was the door of my goat huts, but it works really well for. If you look here, we have. Kind of hard to see here. Zoom out a little. There we go. That's the new baby. The new number is, I guess, 198. Yeah. Hey, baby. Guys, leave the pups and babes alone. There's your new baby. 198. Yep. She is not the friendliest goat in the world, but that works. And this is Thelma. No, that's Louise. Louise got the white spot on her head. But yeah, we're gonna probably name you after that girl from no, you got her. Frozen. Yeah. But I gotta get you guys fed because I gotta get to work. So, on that happy note, I'll let you go. Bye.